Ever wondered how professionals get windows sparkling clean? How they transform murky, dust-laden windows into crystal-clear panes that offer an unhindered view of the world outside? Today, we're going to unravel that mystery. Imagine stepping into a room filled with natural light, pouring in through immaculate windows. It's an uplifting sight, isn't it? Achieving that level of cleanliness, however, requires more than just a quick wipe down. It's a process, a methodical one, that when done right can leave your windows gleaming for weeks, even months. First off, it's all about timing. Choose a cloudy day for this task. While sunlight might help spot dirt easier, it also dries the window too quickly, leaving behind streaks. On a cloudy day, the cleaning solution has ample time to work its magic. Next up, it's about the right tools. Professionals often use a strip applicator with a cloth head for large windows. The cloth head soaks up a lot of soapy water and keeps the glass lubricated. For smaller windows, a sponge works just fine. The cleaning solution is nothing exotic. A squirt of dish soap in a bucket of warm water does the trick. It cuts through the grime without damaging the glass. Once the applicator or sponge is ready, it's time to scrub. Start at the top left, then move to the right. A straight pull towards the bottom, and you have your first clean strip. Repeat this process until the entire window is covered. Now comes the squeegee. Start at the top of the window and pull it down smoothly. Remember to wipe the blade clean after every pass. Continue this process, overlapping the strokes to avoid streaks. The final touch, a chamois or microfiber cloth. It removes any remaining water or streaks, leaving the window dry and shiny. Cleaning windows may seem like a mundane task, but it's one of those small things that can dramatically improve the look and feel of your home. It lets in more light, offers better views, and even helps heat your home more efficiently. To sum up, the secret to sparkling clean windows lies in the timing, the tools, the cleaning solution, the scrubbing technique, and the final touch-up. Remember, it's a cloudy day job, using a strip applicator or sponge with soapy water, scrubbing from top to bottom, using a squeegee, and finally a chamois or microfiber cloth for the finishing touch. So, the next time your windows need a thorough clean, don't dread the task. Embrace it. After all, there's something incredibly satisfying about turning grimy windows into gleaming panes of glass. And who knows, you might even find it therapeutic.